All grown-ups were once children, but only a few of them remember it. It is the time you have wasted for your rose that makes your rose so important. What makes the desert beautiful is that somewhere it hides a well. The most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or touched, they are felt with the heart. Well, I must endure the presence of a few caterpillars if I wish to because are acquainted with the butterflies. You see, one loves the sunset when one is so sad. You become responsible, forever, for what you have tamed. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You're beautiful, but you're empty. No one could die for you. True love begins when nothing is looked for in return. When someone blushes, doesn't that mean yes? I am who I am and I have the need to be. What saves a man is to take a step. Then another step. Tell me who admires and loves you, and I will tell you who you are. The only things you learn are the things you tame. The time for action is now. It's never too late to do something. It is much more difficult to judge oneself than to judge others. The thing that is important is the thing that is not seen. No individual is isolated. He who is sad, saddens others. He who must travel happily must travel light. I know but on freedom, and that is the freedom of the mind. Sometimes, there is no harm in putting off a piece of work until another day. No one is ever satisfied where he is, only the children know what they're looking for. We don't ask to be eternal beings. We only ask that things do not lose all their meaning. Sorrow is one of the vibrations that prove the fact of living. Pure logic is the ruin of the spirit. Straight ahead you can't go very far. The shortest way to a person's heart is sincerely.